Hello friends, once again welcome you all in this particular video. So today in this video we'll talk about which courses should I choose if I am from science background in TISS. Guys, if you aim to enter into TISS, because TISS offer more than 50 plus courses from the Mumbai campus, its Tuljapur campus, Hyderabad campus and Guwahati campus, and even the Chennai PAM campus. So guys, 4 major campuses are there and various programs are there with respect to the social science and social work programs. So guys, which particular course you wanna pursue? If you are from science background, if you are from commerce, or if you are from arts background, guys, ये question mind में हमेशा परेशान करेगा, which course I should prefer. Okay guys, so lot of students are confused. They ask me in the comment section and also in the live lecture. So guys, as per TISS, whatever the selection criteria they included, okay, either उन्होंने TISPAT launch किया or TISMAT or the OPI, another one the extemporary, okay, or although शायद वो SOP हो, शायद essay writing हो, whatever selection criteria they will include, this is because to choose the right candidate for the right course. So you are a right candidate for that particular course जो आप prefer करना चाहते हो. Guys, watch this video till the end. And before moving further guys, we have launched the batches for TISNET, thereafter for TISPAT, even for the TISMAT, and you will also get preparation for the OPI. So you can interact live with us, you will receive the books at your home, you will learn various shortcut tricks, doubt class, you will get access for the recorded videos, topic test, full length mock test. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts, and throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. So lot of data for the practice purpose, and guys, you will also get the mentorship. So our mentor will guide you throughout this process, TISNET, TISPAT, TISMAT and OPI, whatever selection criteria TISS include. So guys, what are you waiting for? Call on 8285811455 or you can visit our website manuedu.com/MBA-entrance. Now let's move to the main topic. Now number of candidates are applied for the TISS, but TISS is looking for the right candidate for the right particular course. Okay, so what they have started, they have started first the PIT, okay, thereafter GD and PI. Later on they launched the TISPAT. TISMAT was already there for HRM and ODCL program, and the OPI due to the COVID situation. But thereafter, now they have launched the extemporary and the OPI as an online assessment parameters. Okay guys, so जो भी selection criteria include होते जाएंगे, you will get the preparation for that with us. These all parameters are included to choose the right candidate for right particular course. So ऐसा नहीं आपने management studies कुछ भी नहीं की है. Okay, in your graduation you are not aware about management studies and you are looking for the HRM and ODCL program or some of the management programs. So guys, then that will be a huge task for you because you are not having the basic understanding of the management fields. So the motto behind this particular video is nothing but whatever degree you pursue in your graduation, guys, उससे related field में आगे जाओ. So that's why you will have the basic knowledge of your graduation, and same आपको एक next level or advanced level मिलेगी in TISS with respect to that particular course. For example, if I am from management studies, okay, I will look further for the HRM, okay, क्योंकि मैंने मैनेजमेंट के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है, and thereafter I will look for the human resource management. So यहाँ मुझे difficulties नहीं आने वाली हैं. Okay, for example the BBA and the BMS students, अब इनको यहाँ तकलीफ नहीं आएगी. But if I have pursued the BSc, okay, then management को लेकर मुझे कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है. So if I choose this particular course, what it matters, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा परेशानी होने वाली है on these all particular selection criteria procedure. शायद वो PIT थी तो PIT में तकलीफ होगा. ओके, TISPAT हो, then also even in the TISMAT, क्योंकि ये बिजनेस जीके से लेकर भरपूर है. Or the extemporary, might be they ask me about the business awareness or business topics. Okay guys, so I should aware about all those topics. Even I don't have all that knowledge or all that subjects in my graduation, but I should cover all those subjects if I am preparing for the TISNET. Okay guys, so to pursue your dream course, guys, go through the eligibility criteria first. I know all these programs, your eligibility should be the graduation. There is no requirement of percentage and all or nothing else or the age criteria. But graduation in any field, 3 years program or the 4 years program. Okay, and 3 years degree or 4 years degree such as pharma, engineering, law and other one. Okay, but look for that particular course जिससे आपका graduation relate करता हो. ओके गाइस, सो यू विल हैव दैट बेसिक नॉलेज, और आगे कुछ एडवांस लेवल्स के भी नॉलेज आपको अगर गेन करने हैं, देन इट विल बी नॉट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू ग्रैब ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल इन दैट 2 years. Okay guys, so that's why here I mentioned all the programs with respect to the science background candidates. Basically science background candidate, what they choose, maths or science after their 12th, right? So maths अगर field है, you can enter into the engineering, okay, BSc mathematics, BSc IT, कुछ भी ले सकते हो, BSc, और BCA और computer engineering, okay, bachelor of architecture, even the engineering part, agriculture engineering, BMM, the mass media, BMS, the management studies, और the BBA और the BTech, जो कि एक इंजीनियरिंग का पार्ट है. बट साइंस कैंडिडेट लुक्स फर्दर फॉर द मेडिकल साइंसेज कोर्सेज, BUMS, the Unani medicine systems, so BHMS, BMS, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, MBBS, the allopathic, BDS, dental, BSc nursing or pharma, DPharm, BPharm, MPharm or the PharmD, the integrated program, the PharmD of 6 years. Okay, they look for these particular courses. Now, अब मुझे ये बताइए guys, if you pursue the MBBS, okay, and if you are looking for the HRM program and even you don't have any management subject in your graduation, hey nahi, obviously guys, you don't have the management subject in your graduation, but if you have the keen entrance, okay, if you are aware about all those factors, you are aware about all the finance, the management skills, you have the management skills, you have the leadership quality, then आप इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स के लिए जा सकते हो. और आई विल सजेस्ट यू आफ्टर MBBS you should try for the MHA or the MPH programs, the social epidemiology, the health administration, the health policy, economic and the finance. Okay, for these particular courses you can also look further for the applied psychology, or if you have keen interest in the social work, then you can choose the social work in public health and mental health or the social work in counseling. Okay guys, so these are the respective programs. You can also choose this particular programs, the environment, climate change and sustainability studies, and even also the disaster management, governance policies, okay, governance regulations. इन सारे programs के लिए आप जा सकते हैं. If you are from engineering background, then guys I will suggest you go for the HRM, ODCL if you have 2 years experience with you, or the analytics. These are the top most courses जिसके लिए आपको जाना चाहिए after pursuing engineering. And if you have keen interest in social work, then you can look further for all these courses. Okay guys, these all courses are for you. Okay, so I will suggest BDS, MBBS, BMS, BHMS, Pharma, BSc nursing, they should try for the health system studies. Okay, the MHA, MPH, the Master of Hospital Administration, Master of Public Health, Master of Arts in Social Work with respect to the public health, with respect to the mental health, with respect to the counseling, and even the social epidemiology. और ऐसे कुछ programs है जहाँ आपका ग्रेजुएशन आपको कुछ साथ लेकर जाए. Okay guys, so you should target for these all courses. Now, science background, even if you are from engineering or from the medical sciences, you can try for all these courses, whichever I listed here. Okay guys, so that's it from the today's video. If you like the video guys, hit the like button and do share to all of your friends so they will also get the benefit from this particular video. Now, if you want a preparation, you can prepare with us. Call on 8828581455 or you can visit our website manuoedu.com. For all exam updates and the notification, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. Guys, all link are mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel Manuo Test Entrance. So guys, that's it from the today's video. Still, if you have any doubts, just ask me in the below comment section and we'll try to answer all of your queries. So all the best for your preparation and see you through in TISS.